In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to predict the rise of crypto using Grok AI. We're keeping this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok and get it to generate a short-term outlook for the crypto market using a single clear prompt. Along the way, I'll share what to expect from the response and how to interpret it responsibly so you get useful insight rather than noise. First, open your web browser and head to grok.com. When the page loads, you'll see a clean chat interface with a text box at the bottom. That's where you'll send your request. Take a moment to make sure you have a stable internet connection and ideally a quiet environment because you'll want to read the output closely. Now click the message box and type, "Predict the rise of crypto tomorrow." Then hit enter. That's it. You've given Grok a direct, time-bounded question that focuses on near-term movement. Grok will process your query and return an explanation of what could drive crypto prices in the next day. Expect it to reason through things like market sentiment, recent news, macroeconomic developments, liquidity conditions, and historical patterns around similar setups. You may also see caveats about volatility and uncertainty, which are normal and important. When the response appears, read for structure, not just the headline. Look for the model's key assumptions, the catalysts it highlights, and any probabilities or confidence language it uses. A solid answer will separate potential bullish drivers, such as favorable policy headlines or strong risk appetite, from bearish pressures like regulatory setbacks or risk-off macro events. Pay attention to the time frame. You asked about tomorrow, which typically means the next 24 hours, not a full week. If the answer drifts into long-term commentary, mentally refocus on what could realistically occur in one trading day. Remember, this is a forecasting aid, not a crystal ball. Short-term crypto moves are highly sensitive to fast-changing information, and no model can guarantee accuracy. Treat the output as one input among many. The value here is the reasoning. It can surface factors you might have missed and help you think in scenarios rather than absolutes. A quick tip on phrasing. You've already anchored the time frame by saying tomorrow, which helps Grok stay precise. Clarity like this tends to produce more actionable analysis and fewer generalities. That's all there is to it. Navigate to grok.com, type "predict the rise of crypto tomorrow" and review the reasoning with a critical eye. Use it to inform your perspective, not to replace it. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.